To build one of the largest dams on the planet, engineers first had to move a river out of the way. This is the Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam, or GERD, built in western Ethiopia on the Abai River, the Blue Nile. When construction began in 2011, there was virtually no infrastructure capable of supporting a project of that scale. Roads, housing, medical facilities, dining areas, power systems, and other support structures had to be built for thousands of workers. But there was an even bigger problem. The Blue Nile was flowing exactly where the dam needed to be built. So engineers had to temporarily divert the river, clearing the riverbed for construction. Once the area was protected, a massive operation began. The main dam was built using roller-compacted concrete, or RCC. The concrete was spread in layers and compacted by enormous rollers. In December 2014, workers compacted approximately 23,000 cubic meters of RCC in just 24 hours. In total, about 10.7 million cubic meters of RCC were used. The main dam is approximately 1.8 kilometers long and more than 140 meters high. But there was still another problem. The terrain beside the main dam was lower, so engineers built a second structure, the Saddle Dam, a concrete-faced rock-fill dam stretching approximately 5.2 kilometers, nearly 3 times the length of the main dam. Together, the structures formed a massive reservoir capable of storing approximately 74 billion cubic meters of water. But storing all that water was not the goal. It is channeled into enormous Francis turbines. The force of the water makes the turbines spin, and generators convert that motion into electricity. In total, the plant will have 5,150 megawatts of installed capacity. After more than a decade of construction, GERD was officially inaugurated in 2025. From a river running through a remote region, engineers created one of Africa's largest hydroelectric complexes. And it all began with a seemingly impossible task: moving one of the continent's largest rivers out of the way.